Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's crypto news, we'll dive into the biggest headlines you need to know right now, from price movements to tech updates and NFT news. If you're always on the go but want to stay updated, this is the perfect video for you. So let's get into it. So first up, let's talk about Bitcoin. Over the last few days, Bitcoin's price stays above the $100,000 mark, hitting new highs. What's driving this rise? A combination of industrial interest, Bitcoin ETFs, and news that more big players are considering Bitcoin as a store of value. Experts are predicting that Bitcoin could even break the $200,000 mark by the end of the year if this momentum continues. But remember, as always, Bitcoin price can be volatile, so be cautious if you're trading. Next, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is going through a huge transformation with its upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. It's a shift to proof of stake, which will make Ethereum more scalable, secure, and energy efficient. The big news here is the Ethereum 2.0 launch. It's happening in phases and the transaction has already begun with the beacon chain. What's exciting is that gas fees are expected to decrease significantly and transaction speeds will increase. But there's a twist. Ethereum 2.0 staking rewards could offer investors big returns, just like holding a savings account, but with more potential uprise. So if you're an Ethereum holder, this is definitely something you'll want to watch closely. The network is evolving and the future looks bright for Ethereum. Let's talk about NFTs now. Are they coming back or are they just gone and forgotten? There are some new NFT projects that are doing pretty well at the moment. For example, the most recent auction for a digital art piece by People made headlines with it being sold for 69 million US dollars. But what's next for NFTs? Well, they've moved beyond art and collectibles into gaming, virtual real estate, and even actual property rights. As more big companies and artists join the NFT space, we are seeing mainstream adoption like never before. If you're not in the NFT game yet, now might be a good time to start exploring. But just remember, this space can be highly speculative, so do your research before diving in. On the regulatory front, the crypto landscape is getting more attention from governments around the world. Some countries like El Salvador have even adopted Bitcoin as legal tender there, which is a huge win for the crypto community. But there's also growing concerns about crypto regulations, especially in the US and China. We've seen China crack down on crypto mining, while the US lawmakers are debating how to regulate cryptocurrencies more efficiently. It's a bit of a double-edged sword. On one hand, regulations could help bring stability and legitimacy to the market. But on the other hand, excessive regulations could slow down the growth and innovation. Before we wrap this video up, let's talk briefly about DeFi, the decentralized finance sector that's still booming. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and MakerDAO are offering users a chance to earn high yield returns by lending their crypto or staking their tokens. DeFi is reshaping how we think about banking and finance, eliminating the middleman and offering better rates. So if you're not yet involved in DeFi, it's worth looking into. But just like anything in crypto, there are risks. So make sure you do your homework. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin hit $200,000 by the end of the year? And how do you feel about the rise of NFTs and Ethereum's upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown of the latest crypto news, smash that like button, subscribe for more updates, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on the update like this one. Keep watching, stay informed, and as always, see you in the next video.